Hello everybody, this is a video to show you how to do a tune-up on your Navigator. This is a 99 model and there's a lot of things you got to take off just to get to the cover that exposes all the coils and the spark plugs. As you can see, this is the power steering bracket that I had to take off that holds the power steering reservoir that is right here. Next, you got to take this cover off that is wedged up in between. It's kind of tricky to get it because of this EGR pipe over here. You got to kind of pry up under it and sneak it out upwards over here, out this way. Next, you got to take the coil boot out that are not held on with a screw. They're just placed on top and that cover presses down into them. The trickiest one is obviously the one in the back. The last one here. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4. You got to take the air filter housing out. What else? A little patience. You're gonna need a 10mm, an 8mm, and a 13mm. A gear wrench on a 10mm drive is very necessary. You will have a hard time getting a socket and a ratchet down there to get the lower 2 bolts that hold this bracket. Goes down there. You got 2 down here, and then you got about 2 8mm up on the top. Alright, there you have it. Thank you for watching.